smartphone starts as ordinary industrial materials. Precision begins long before assembly.
Every shipment is verified before entering production. Nothing moves without inspection. Today's production starts with conductive copper. Every material follows a scheduled route. Ultra-pure copper forms the heart of every circuit. Even microscopic contamination is removed. Copper and fiberglass become one solid circuit board. Pressure creates the perfect foundation. Controlled cooling prevents internal stress. Flatness is essential for precision electronics. Perfect cleanliness ensures reliable electrical pathways. Every micron matters. A light-sensitive layer prepares the future circuitry. Precision starts at the microscopic level. Invisible light creates the phone's electrical roadmap. Accuracy is measured in microns. The hidden design begins to appear. Only the required circuitry remains protected. Everything unnecessary disappears. Only precision remains. Every trace of processing chemicals is eliminated. Purity protects long-term reliability. Thousands of microscopic connections are created. Every hole links future electronic layers. The motherboard foundation is finally complete. Next, thousands of microscopic electronic components will be installed. The plated circuitry is carefully dried before protection begins. Every connection is inspected under magnification.
A protective solder mask shields delicate circuitry. Only the connection points remain exposed.
Ultraviolet energy permanently hardens the protective coating. Durability starts here. Identification markings guide every future assembly step. Even the smallest label must be perfect. Microscopic solder deposits prepare the board for assembly. Precision here determines reliability later.
Thousands of tiny electronic parts are prepared. Each reel is verified before installation.
Every electronic component has a dedicated location. Nothing is installed without verification. Every microchip is inspected before touching the motherboard. Defect prevention begins here. Machine vision checks every movement with microscopic accuracy. Calibration prevents future defects. Hundreds of precision components find their exact positions. Every placement is measured in fractions of a millimeter. Power regulation components are added next. They control stable energy throughout the device. The phone's computing heart is positioned with microscopic precision. Alignment must be absolutely perfect. Memory components complete the core electronics. Now the entire motherboard is ready for soldering. Controlled heat transforms paste into permanent electrical joints. Thousands of connections form simultaneously. The motherboard is now electrically complete. Next, the phone's physical body will begin taking shape. The phone's strength begins with a solid aluminum block. Every billet must meet exact specifications. 5-axis machining shapes the phone's structural frame. Micron-level precision ensures perfect alignment. Internal cavities are machined one layer at a time. These spaces will later hold the phone's electronics.
Every mounting point is drilled with microscopic accuracy. Perfect positioning prevents assembly stress.
Diamond tools refine every visible edge. Comfort begins with precision machining. Experienced hands remove imperfections impossible to leave behind. Human craftsmanship complements automation. Ultrasonic cleaning removes particles invisible to the eye. Absolute cleanliness is essential before finishing. Controlled sandblasting creates a premium surface finish. Texture improves both appearance and grip. Electrochemical treatment strengthens the aluminum surface. The protective finish becomes part of the metal itself. Every surface is inspected under intense lighting. Only perfect finishes continue forward. Even the smallest controls are precision machined. Every button must deliver a perfect tactile feel.
Careful hand finishing removes microscopic imperfections. Quality is felt with every press.
The SIM tray is manufactured with micron-level accuracy. Perfect fit ensures long-term durability. Every mechanical component is verified before assembly. Precision now meets preparation. The structural foundation is now complete. Next, the smartphone will finally begin coming together. After weeks of preparation, the first visible part finally arrives. Every display is carefully inspected before installation. A clean foundation ensures a precise final assembly. Attention to detail continues at every stage. The electronic heart of the phone meets its precision-machined frame. Every alignment point is verified by hand. The camera system is installed under strict cleanliness standards. Even a tiny particle could affect image quality.
The power source completes the phone's internal hardware. The device is almost ready to come alive.
For the first time, the Google Pixel 10a takes its recognizable form. Weeks of manufacturing come together in a single moment. Every device is powered on for its first functional check. Performance is verified before moving ahead. Every screen is carefully evaluated for consistent performance. Only approved displays continue. Every camera is checked under identical lighting conditions. Consistent quality is the goal.
Every visible surface is examined before packaging. Only flawless devices move forward.
The final cleaning prepares every phone for its first owner. Presentation matters as much as performance.
Packaging protects the product throughout its journey. Every box is prepared with care. The manufacturing journey is complete. The phone is ready to leave the factory.
Thousands of finished phones begin their journey around the world. Every pallet represents countless hours of craftsmanship. From raw materials to a finished smartphone, this is how the Google Pixel 10a manufacturing journey comes to life.